Namaste. Welcome to Shakti Yoga with Shelly. I am Shelly. In this video, I'm going to talk about hyperlordosis, which is also known as the high arch in the lower back. How to find out if you have a high arch? Lie on your back. Now slide your hand under your back. If your hand can reach on the other side, it means you have a high arch. Also, people with high arch will find it difficult to lie on their back. Reason being their pelvis is tilted anteriorly and their chest is popping out. In such a situation, bending the knees will make the pose more comfortable. Now, what is happening if you have a high arch? Take a look here. If you have a high arch, you have overactive or tight muscles in the back and tight iliopsoas, and at the same time, your abdominal muscles and the glutes tend to be weak. So people with high arch need to stretch the back muscles and iliopsoas, and they need to do stretches and exercises that will strengthen their glutes and their core muscles. An effective stretch for your back muscles: stand arm's length away from the wall. Placing your hands on the wall, bring your torso parallel to the ground. Your legs are straight. Now in this position, press the wall with your hands and push your hips out. Here you will get a fantastic stretch in your back muscles. Hold this pose for 10 to 15 seconds. To stretch your hip flexors, come onto your all fours. From the tabletop position, step up with your right foot. Now place both your hands behind your right knee. Stay here, or you can shift forward, getting a deeper stretch in your hip flexors. Stay there, hold this position for 10 seconds. Make sure that you are not putting unnecessary pressure on your back knee. Repeat the same on the other side. To strengthen your abdominal muscles, lie on your mat, bend both your knees so you can relax your pelvis. From this position, keep your left knee bent and straighten your right leg out. Your right toes are pointing out and lifting the leg at about 30 degrees. Stay here for 10 seconds. Now lift your leg higher to about 60 degrees, again holding at this angle for another 10 seconds. Then bend your right knee in and lift your leg up to the 90-degree angle. Hold it for another 10 seconds. You begin by holding for 10 seconds and gradually increase your time to 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Repeat the same on the other side. Next, we will work on the glutes. For that, come into supine position, meaning come onto your spine, bend both your knees again so you can relax your pelvis. Your arms are by your side. Press your arms down and lift your pelvis up. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Keep breathing smoothly through your nose. Gently come down. And we can try another variation. Once we get comfortable here, try this variation. Interlock your fingers, squeeze in your shoulder blades, and then lift one leg. So your bridge position on one leg. Hold this pose for 5 to 7 seconds on one side and then repeat it on the other side. Like I said before, practice the poses for 10 seconds initially and gradually increase your duration to 15 or 20 seconds. I hope you found this video helpful. Do give it a big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Shakti Yoga with Shelly. There's one more tip for you. When you are lying down, to get up, turn to your right hand side first, take support of your hand, and then come into a sitting position. With this, I'm going to say bye-bye, but I'll see you soon with another video. Take care.